Hello everyone, myself Dr. Navanand Vadwale, Assistant Professor MSG College, Malegaon Camp, Malegaon. So today we discuss about the phase equilibrium topic, basic terminology used into the phase equilibrium. So introductory part of the phase equilibrium. There are three state of matter, solid, liquid, gas. They are also known as the phases. All these three states are interconvertible. During physical transformation of one phase into another phase, temperature remains always constant. Therefore, exist of equilibrium between two phases during melting of solid, boiling of liquid, liquefaction of gas, freezing of liquid, and vaporization of solid. All these are called as a phase equilibrium. When we try to change pressure or temperature, this equilibrium is shifted. In this chapter, we are going to study the effect of temperature and pressure on physical equilibrium. Basic terminology used into the phase equilibrium. First, system. A system in connection with the phase rule is defined as a substance or a mixture of substances which is isolated in some way from other substances. For example, water system, we mean the chemical substances water which has been isolated from all other the substance in the system. This will enable us to investigate the effect of changes in pressure and temperature, the various phases of water. In melting condition, solid of water converted into the liquid water by acquiring the some amount of temperature. Phases means appearance. It is defined as a homogeneous part of the system that is physically distinct and mechanically separable from other parts of the system. The term mechanically separable should be clearly understood. The term involves such operation as handpicking of crystal by shape, filtration, separation of two liquids by a separation funnel. For example, the system ice converted into the water and water converted into the water vapors. The system consists of three phases, namely ice, liquid, and gas. These diagrams are showing the nature of or appearance of the phases: solid phase, liquid phase, and the gaseous phase of water. To decide the number of phases in the given system, the following generations may be used. Every solid in the system constitutes a separate phase. One liquid layer constitutes a one phase. The liquid may be pure or may be solution of one liquid in the other. Two immiscible liquid in contact form two phases. A definite surface separate the two. Gases are completely miscible, hence the mixture of several gases constitute a single phase. Consider the following two systems. Calcium carbonate, which on reversible reaction to form calcium oxalate as a solid plus carbon dioxide as a gas. A mixture of liquid mercury, liquid water, and liquid carbon tetrachloride. So, from above these two examples, the number of phases in A example is 3, B is 4, namely the three immiscible liquid and the vapor, which is a mixture of three constituent component. It is defined as the minimum number of independent variable and chemically distinct constituents necessary to describe the composition of each phase of system. Or it is also defined as the number of components of a system can be defined as the minimum number of molecular species in terms of which the composition of all the phases may be quantitatively expressed. For example, the system ice get converted into the liquid water and liquid water converted into the water vapors. The composition of each phase can be expressed completely using only one chemical substance, namely water. Therefore, the system is a one component system. Thank you for watching video. Like, subscribe our channel